Alright, today we're going over real quick how to install new windshield wipers. When you open the box, you're going to have the new wiper with a protective coating on here. Just take that off. You have an insert here. Pull that out. You're going to have these other adapters right here too. And these are important to hold on to in case these don't fit your wipers right off the bat. Alright, first thing, you need to get the old ones off. They're all going to be attached differently, so you got to look how it's attached. Normally you're going to have some type of clip in, like this one. Just squeeze that clip and then pull it right out. Next, pay close attention to how this part of the wiper looks and match it up with the instruction book. Now open up your instruction booklet and you're going to see the different types of wipers that might be here. I found a match on the back, which is this one right here. This one is common in some of the old vehicles, and those are super easy. You just have to pull it out and then click it right back in. Here we are matched up right here. The instructions tell you what kind of adapter to fit to it. This is the adapter we need right here. This is the old one. Just going to take it, clip it off, take the new one, clip it on. Now we're good to go. Now from here, follow the instructions on how it tells you to put it on. From us, there we go. All done. Got new wipers. Now another easy way, if you're looking to get these replaced, is just to go to the parts store. Go to Advanced or O'Reilly's or something like that. A lot of times they offer a free windshield wiper install if you buy from them. So that's an easier way to do it. Here's a quick look at one of the old ones that I pulled off a couple minutes ago. You can see in a lot of places it's already getting tears, and it's just dry rotted all throughout. See a little bit of a discoloration. And what causes this a lot is obviously use, but also if it's sitting out in the sun and there's a lot of temperature changes between hot and cold. The easiest way to tell that your wiper has gone bad, like this one, is if when your wipers are going, they leave streaks of water still on the windshield. You can also see it's kind of leaving the black smudges on my hands here.